Well, tonight, a warning from a private ambulance company about to begin service in Pend Orielle County. The owners of Pend Orielle Paramedics says that they're being told not to respond to calls that local fire volunteers can handle on their own. One fire chief tells us it's a matter of saving resources, but the company says it won't be able to survive. KXLY4's Kyle Simchuk live in Newport tonight, where both sides are meeting this evening, hoping to come to some agreement. And Kyle, how could this impact public safety there?
Well, Nadine, when Pend Orielle Paramedics begin service here in Pend Orielle County, they will be the only first responders licensed to transport patients requiring advanced life support. Now, some local fire crews here say that resource is too precious to waste on calls that volunteer fire crews can already manage. But the company says that without those lower level calls, they can't afford to stay here. It's a fight to save lives in Pend Orielle County between private and public first responders.
We've met more opposition, I believe, than any other ambulance service ever has.
John Jackson co-owns Pend Orielle Paramedics, a private E.M.S. company that's being told not to respond to emergencies which require basic life support in two of the county's largest districts.
Basically, it takes away well over half of the majority of the calls.
Meaning volunteer firefighters will handle low priority calls. Neither side disputes the qualifications of those firefighters, but admits paramedics have more training.
I can't hire 21 employees as we've done and start out a business with half the call volume or even 75% of the call volume gone.
South Pend Orielle Fire Chief Michael Noakes declined an on-camera interview but told me the restrictions are meant to conserve resources. When in operation, Pend Orielle Paramedics will be the only first responders licensed to transport patients requiring advanced life support. Noakes says this resource is too precious to waste on calls that his fire crews already handle. But Jackson says his companies need more calls to keep business alive and in Pend Orielle County.
Without us being in the county, there's no ALS ambulance in this county whatsoever. It's going to endanger people's lives, and unfortunately the public don't realize what's going on.
Tonight both sides are meeting to hash out their differences, but the final say would ultimately be made by the Department of Health. And Pend Orielle Paramedics have received report from several other fire chiefs in other districts here, and they've also received report from Pend Orielle's medical program director, who says that she is strongly opposed to limiting where these paramedics can respond. But Nadine, if there's something that both sides can agree on, it's that they want to provide the top support for all patients here in Pend Orielle County. Reporting live in Newport, Kyle Simchuk, KXLY4 News.
All right, thank you, Kyle.